Hey guys, we are out at Hyland Trail out in Middleburg, Cove Springs area. We're going to look at the Avalon model. So this is probably one of Dreamfinder's best models, most popular models. And Dreamfinders in this neighborhood, they're doing pretty decent basics. A lot of what you see in the model homes typically aren't with the regular homes, but anyway. So when you walk into the Avalon, you have this big open kitchen area. Most popular model because it literally allows you to have all this space. I've seen this model where this is more of a breakfast nook without the cabinets. So it's a pretty open floor plan, nice setup. Cabinets in here are pretty good quality. They're all soft close for the most part. Over here in the kitchen, you've got a microwave and an oven, flat top. The range goes up and out. And then with this one, I'm sure this is probably an upgrade, but we can check with them. But you've got the pot drawer and then farm sink stainless and trash as well. We've got the wraparounds here, which is probably an upgrade with quartz countertops. All right, let's go into the master. The master, nice big open master. The quad window bay is probably an upgrade, but definitely a nice feature for sure. Then the master bath. You typically have the two sinks, quartz, and you still get some pretty decent cabinets in here. Not quite as much as the kitchen, but in here, obviously this is probably an upgrade. They probably have different ways of doing this, whether shower or tub combo. But in this model, they've got this one as a big old huge double shower, and then a big walk-in closet. And that's pretty much it for the master. Again, back in this room, these sliders actually go open all the way up to your patio. So the slider's probably going to be a bit of an upgrade. So these are complete hideaways if you wanted to. And you can probably get that screened, and of course adding a fence and whatnot for your privacy entertainment space. And if we come over here to the left, your right, you'll have one other bedroom, use it as an office or whatever you need, and then another bathroom as well. The Avalon 2 model is essentially the exact same thing, except there's a set of stairs that's right here. It goes up to a loft space on the upstairs. That's the Avalon.